Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. You are watching KLANCY Hub. As you guys know that in this channel we give you updates on how to make money online, especially with cryptocurrency. So today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn your free Shiba Inu coins today. So all you have to do is to stay tuned in the video, and please don't skip any part of this video so you don't get lost. You can still follow me on my Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram right here. So all you have to do is you come to about, then these are the links of my Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram. So right now we head over to the site. So the name of this site is Faucet. So in this site you can earn free Shiba Inu coin by signing up and getting a bonus you can use to mine the coin. So all you have to do is to join my Telegram group. Then over there you can see the link of this video, then you can join and sign up and get your free bonus. So all you have to do is once you click on the link, you click on sign up. It will bring you to this page where you will fill your details such as username, email address, password, then you are good to go. So okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and log in to my own account because I already have an account with them. You have to complete this captcha. Okay, alright, so over here is my dashboard. As you can see, I still have about 500 EH which I'm using to mine my coin. So once you register, all you have to do is you head over to this three dotted line over here. Then once you click on it, it will bring you to a page where you can see dashboard. Over here, this is your dashboard, this is your miner, deposit, withdraw and referral button. So all you have to do is you click on your miner. Okay, alright, so over here you can see you can mine many coins. You can mine BTC from this site, you can mine DOT, and you can see mine Shiba Inu. Okay, so over here you see the amount of Shiba Inu that I have mined so far. So for you to mine in this site, all you have to do is you increase this button over here, you drag this button over here. Right now I'm not mining, so for me to start mining again I need to drag this button over here then to this point so I can be able to start mining again. Alright, so you watch me do it. Right now I'm mining, and as you can see over here my Shiba Inu is mining for me for free. Okay, you don't need to invest anything in this side. All you have to do is you follow my steps, then you can do it. I know every one of us can do it. So right now if you still want to mine multiple coins here, you can do it. All you have to do is you reduce this mining power from this point. Maybe you can just say 50% of it, which is half of it. So let me do it right now. Or you just click on 50% over here, then say okay, and you can see my Ethereum Classic over here by clicking on 50% right here. Once you click on 50%, it will start mining automatic. Alright, so as you can see I'm mining my Shiba Inu and my Ethereum Classic at the same time. If you still want to mine other coins at the same time, all you have to do is let me say you put your Shiba Inu 50%, then you see come over here, you reduce it to 20%. Okay, then you see put this other coin 20%, then you click on OK. So right now we still have like 10%, so you see click on 10% over here. As you can see we are mining XRP, other coin, Ethereum Classic and Shiba Inu at the same time. Whoa guys, so please guys don't miss out this update. Make sure you register on this site and mine your free coins. I'm not advising you to invest on this site, or you can just wait, and whenever I make the withdrawal proof, then you can now invest on this site. But right now don't invest on this site. You can still use the free mining power they give you by clicking on my link, so they can be able to give you your free mining power. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and please do make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I made a video like this, YouTube will notify you about my new videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching.